Hey, what's up everyone? I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video we're gonna take a look at how to fix suggested posts not showing on Instagram. So let's get straight into the video without any further ado. If you're not able to scroll down on your feed on Instagram and you're not able to see new posts, this would be simply because there is some kind of bug on the app of Instagram. Now there are a couple of ways that you can fix it. The first way is you can update the app of Instagram. Head over to Play Store or the App Store and search for Instagram. If there is an update, make sure you update the app. Updating any apps makes sure that there is no problem in the system and also helps in removing any kind of bugs that is causing the problem. The next thing is you'll need to clear the cache and data of your Instagram. Simply tap and hold on the app and head over to app info. If you're on an iOS, you'll need to offload the app of Instagram. You can head over to settings and under apps need to search for Instagram and offload it. Now here on the bottom, tap on clear data and tap on clear cache. Along with that, you can also clear the data. But before you clear the data, make sure you remember your credentials, which is your email address and the password. The last thing you need to make sure is if your internet connection is stable. If you're using a Wi-Fi or your cellular data, make sure that both of those connections are stable and are working properly. So that's how you can fix posts not showing on Instagram. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll be back soon with more content similar to this. Thanks for watching.